welcome back to my channel. As you have already read in the title that today's topic is traditional clothing of Japanese people. So without any further ado, let's get started. Japan passionately holds onto its past. Japanese fashion that fell out of everyday wear in the 19th century are regularly revived for holidays, ceremonies, festival and cultural activity. There are plenty of options to enjoy Japanese fashion. The fashion that still worn today include kimono. The most iconic and easily recognizable of all the traditional Japanese wear is the kimono. It is still a staple piece for many Japanese people and is growing in international appeal too. The kimono is worn wrapped around the body, left side over right, and is sometimes worn layered. Both men and women can wear it. The kimono was worn initially with a hakama and a long skirt type piece. Fabric of kimono is purchased in a set length called a tan. It is about 11.7 meter long and about 34 centimeter wide and is enough for one garment. In traditional time, kimono was made with silk cocoon, but the spinning technology made the lustrous material both long-lasting and inexpensive. Yukata. Simply put, the yukata is the lighter version of kimono. It is worn by men and women. The yukata is fastened by obi and is very easy to wear. It is originally created for bathing, but as it is inexpensive and easy to wear, so people have it in the cherry blossom parties, festival, fireworks and Japanese in ryokan. Men's yukata are distinguished by the shorter sleeve of 10 cm approx compared to the 20 cm longer sleeve extension in the women's yukata. General rule of this is that younger people wear bright and vivid colors, old people wear dark and dull patterns, a child may wear a multicolored, and a man in general wear solid dark colors. The next is obi, the sash which keep the kimono and yukata together, the obi. It is often easily overlooked, but when styled right, it's a standout piece of traditional Japanese wear. Modern obi are typically made of a crisp, if not stiff, weave of fabric and may be relatively thick. There is a type of obi for every occasion and every style. Men's obi are narrower than women's and play a more practical role in keeping the kimono tight. For women, the obi's primary function is to be decorative, while the actual piece of fabric keeping the garment together is hidden underneath. They are categorized by their design and material. So the next is happi. Happi is the Japanese traditional dress which is worn by the male performers, particularly in dance, which is actually a straight sleeved jacket. Happi is normally having an open front and it is fastened with ties. The color of happi is normally in blue, companion with red, black and white. The younger generation wear polyester happi because it tends to be less expensive rather than the traditional one. In the festival, Japanese men wear happi with glorious patterns. So everyone, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. So please like the video, comment down below and make sure you hit the red subscribe button. Press the bell icon to get update every time I upload a new video. And follow me on my social handles and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.